There are foods we eat every day that don't just make us tired or bloated. They literally damage our body from the inside out. Today, I'm going to show you 7 common foods that silently harm your brain, gut, heart, bones, kidneys, and more, and which powerful foods can help reverse the damage. Let's start with the gut, the foundation of your immune system. If you're eating processed white bread, artificial sweeteners, or drinking diet sodas, you're not just feeding cravings, you're stripping away good bacteria, inflaming your gut lining, and compromising nutrient absorption. Eat instead 1 serving daily of fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, or organic Greek yogurt. These reintroduce healthy bacteria and repair the gut lining. Next, the brain. Processed vegetable oils are full of omega-6 fats that disrupt brain function and fuel inflammation. Eat instead cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil or wild salmon. These are rich in omega-3 south, proven to support cognition and mental clarity. Now let's talk about your arteries. Refined sugars, found in cereals, cookies, and sauces. Spiked blood sugar, which damages artery walls and contributes to plaque buildup. Eat instead a handful of raw walnuts or blueberries per day. Both are shown to reduce inflammation and protect arterial walls. Moving to the kidneys, high sodium from processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats can overwork your kidneys and raise blood pressure. Eat instead leafy greens like spinach or arugula, rich in potassium and antioxidants that support kidney function naturally. Your bones aren't safe either. Excess soda consumption, especially colas, leaches calcium from your bones and weakens bone density over time. Eat instead 1 serving of chia seeds or a fortified plant-based milk daily for calcium, magnesium, and bone support, and your lungs. Deep-fried foods produce AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which trigger oxidative stress in the lungs. Eat instead cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. They boost detox enzymes in the lungs and improve breathing. Lastly, your liver. Alcohol, that's obvious. But high fructose corn syrup, hiding in ketchup, granola bars, and even healthy drinks, burdens the liver and promotes fat buildup. Eat instead a small piece of papaya or lemon water daily. They aid in liver detox and digestion. Here's the most important part. It's not about perfection, but daily swaps. If you can eliminate just 3 of these damaging foods and consistently eat the healing ones, your body will start repairing itself naturally. Want a shortcut? Check out the recommended clean supplements and gut support blends I personally use. Links are in the video description. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a smarter health tip again. Let's get healthy from the inside out.